Producers Mr. Ashok Takeria, Aman Gill, Anand Pandit and Markand Adhikari. Can we have them on stage? Huge round of applause for all of them. Sir, before we move on to, the media question answers and everything, sir, that one dialogue here, I have an idea. We all love to see that.
Love you.
Love you, Nanda. He's actually...
Nandaji, great sound, man. Thank you.
Superb. He's actually made that dialogue happen.
Oh, wow.
But this time it's, I have a great, grand idea.
Alright, now that we have all of these guys here, I think they deserve a huge round of applause. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. Fantastic. Fantastic. Alright, so I'm going to ask Vivek also, how is the experience of working third? This is, I think now it's grander also than ever. Masti is grander than ever. How was the experience working on Great Grand Masti?
It was Great Grand Masti, man. It was Great Grand Masti throughout the set. It was incredible fun during the shoot, and I just love these guys. I love working with them. They're like family to me. This whole team, this whole incredible... I love you too. Love you too. I love you. And it was amazing. It was amazing, and we're really excited about Masti 4. Oops. Cat out of the bag. Oops.
Yeah, we will surely make Masti 4.
Yes.
Any ideas for the title?
Later.
So I'm going to ask sir, who was the naughtiest among all of these three?
Hard to figure out. एक दिन एक होता था, दूसरे दिन दूसरा हो जाता था.
और तीसरे दिन पे तीनों तो?
मस्ती का भूत किस पे कब चढ़ता था पता नहीं चला.
Alright, so we'll have some questions from the media also. Can we have a few questions from there?
नाही, सेन्सर्ड कॉपीज तुम्हाला दाखवल्यात.
अनुभव करायला काय?
कसला?
सेन्सॉरचा
चांगला होता. पास केले त्यांनी सगळं.
पिक्चर आता ट्रेलर झाला आणि सिनेमा.
अहो पाहता येऊ दे ना, सगळं आजच दाखवू तुम्हाला.
Yes, next question. Next question.
Sorry?
No, obviously they've had a lot of fun doing that. You can see that.
I don't know. I think कुछ चीजें होते जो बिना सोच के करते.
I think it was a kind of...
अगर सोचते तो ये कर ही नहीं पाते.
But Induji was kind of inspired. I mean, he looked at it almost like a modern work of art. He called it Teen Bandar.
Yes, can we have some more questions? Yeah. Questions.
आफ्ताब?
There.
आफ्ताब here. वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको? Hi. Yeah. वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको? I just had a question. Men normally stand to take a leak. Why would you sit?
I wasn't taking a leak. I was taking more than a leak.
Yeah, but why would you think he was taking a leak?
No, but I was taking more than a leak.
Yes. Moving on.
He just loves hugs.
इसी बात पे हक दे इसको.
Such huggers I've got.
Yes, I'm going to ask Urvashi also. She's been very quiet. But how was the experience working with these three naughty boys here?
Okay, first of all, thank you so very much to all the members of media and everyone present here. The experience was worthwhile. It is the most challenging character I've ever played till now. This is my third film. I'm so very excited and so thrilled. I'm so very thankful to the trio. Be it like Ritesh, Vivek, Aftab, all three of them are amazing co-actors and they supported me in each and every scene and I had a blast shooting for it. And my director especially, Indra Kumar, he's the captain of ship. And I have always adored as a childhood, all his films, be it like Beta, Man, and Dhamal, all these are my favorite films. So Masti has always been my favorite film. And so I'm happy this is the first comedy genre which I'm attempting and I just hope it turns out to be successful. Also my producer, Ashok Takeria, and everyone, I'm so sorry if I missed out on names. So thank you so much, Indra sir. You are amazing, and I cannot believe that without even in just like a 5 minutes meeting, how were you able to select and give me such a significant role in the film. I want to ask you, I mean, what made you select me? Because there was thousands and thousands of girls.
इसको देखते ही मुझे लगा ये भूतनी तो यही है. But प्यारी भूतनी.
Yeah, Inderji, I have to ask you, was she so polite on set also? She's a very polite bhoot, yeah.
Actually, but जब अपने रूप में आती तब देखना.
Yes, some more questions.
Inder, what is the reason behind not changing the male star cast, but we have the female star cast?
कौन पूछ रहा है? क्या तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम क्या है तुम्हारा? कहाँ है? किधर है वो?
Why should they change? बैठ के सुसु करने वाले.
हम पे क्यों आ गए?
Please answer.
हाँ जी. क्या क्वेश्चन था भूल गया.
अच्छा है.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली अच्छा क्वेश्चन था.
Very good, very good. अभी हमारी तारीफ होगी शायद.
क्या है कि हाँ दो माइक. आफ्ताब, रितेश, विवेक. ग्रैंड मस्ती. क्या है कि ग्रेट. लड़कियां हर टाइम चेंज होती है बिकॉज वो सब एज हो जाती है. बट ये मेरे तीनों एजलेस हैं. कौले आज भी एकदम माइंड ब्लोइंग. ऐसा लग रहा है अभी ओवन से निकाले.
Vivek, a question for you.
Yes, where is this coming from? There, yeah. Vivek bhai, question.
Hey, Vivek, hi. A question for you. In the month of October last year, when the shooting of Grand Masti was on in Mehboob Studio, you had a very special visitor, that is Salman Khan. Salman met Aftab, Ritesh, and even Urvashi, but we didn't see him meeting you. What was the reason? Is all well? Friends again?
He wasn't there that time, so it's okay, right?
Oh, he was there. Everyone saw us. The media was there.
You saw?
Of course.
हाँ. आपकी विशेष टिप्पणी? नहीं, क्योंकि 14 साल से तो मैं ये सवाल सुन रहा हूँ अलग अलग रूप में. अगर किसी और को आंसर करना है तो कर दो. मैंने बहुत बार आंसर कर दिए ये. Anybody has any interesting?
Can I please say something? It's between two individuals. I don't think we should interfere.
Yes, and let's keep it to the film
I think
also,
let's
right?
keep it to the film. Let's talk about the film.
I mean, it's about the film.
This is not about the film.
You wish
It's
it
about
would
two
be.
individuals.
You wish it would be. It's more about your bike, but it's okay.
Anyway, any more questions?
How easy it was mounting double meaning dialogues?
How easy? Do you see him doing anything else? Ever? I was scared when you asked that question. What is he doing in this poster? I was scared for you. I swear. I mean, I love him, but I was scared for you.
No, I think it's because the script is written so well, and every line that you say is out of innocence. So if you can portray innocence, even if it is it has a double meaning or it has a certain naughtiness, I think it's palatable. So I think we try to maintain a certain kind of innocence in the characters that we portray while doing a naughty comedy.
Please don't ask us serious questions.
ये प्लीज रिकॉर्ड करके हम लोगों को दे देना. आगे बहुत काम आने वाले.
I know.
आंसर्स.
Ritesh, I have a question.
Nothing at all. I think he spoke for all three of us.
Yeah. And also,
He's very good at mouthing dialogues.
And also, Mr. Indra Kumar said, no, we are growing younger every year. So we look more innocent when we do such things. So
Show them your innocent face, Fafu.
Ritesh, I have a question for you. Yeah.
So, yes, sir.
Ritesh, like we all know, in Marathi also you made a film last year and you became quite a popular. Like everyone loved your performance and all. So now, when you like make a movie which has such adult content, आपको लगता है कि आपकी मराठी audience जो है वो एक like disappoint हो जाएंगी कि आपने एक ऐसा adult movie किया?
No, I don't think so, because that released next year after Grand Masti. मुझे लगता है कि as an actor, I get an opportunity to do various kind of genres, and adult or naughty comedy being one of them. So I don't think I look down upon any genre for that matter. And I'm happy that that Grand Masti was a successful film, and that's the reason we are coming back with Great Grand Masti. And I'm happy that Lay Bhari was successful, and I got a chance to do Ek Villain, which was completely different. That was also did well. So I'm okay. I guess audiences have been very kind towards me, and I thank them all. Thank you.
And to add to that, I mean, just to clarify the air, I mean, Great Grand Masti is a family film. इसे देखने के बाद हिंदुस्तान में families बढ़ेंगी.
Vivek, I have a question for you. Vivek, like पिछले कई सालों से we have not seen you like associated with a big banner. Like everyone who comes in the industry who they want to work with a big banner like Dharma, for example, or Yasraj, would we see you working with them?
I just finished a film with a big banner called Maruti and Balaji, and it's going to release on the 22nd of July. It's called Great Grand Masti, and also did a big banner film with my buddy here for Yashraj called Bank Chor, which is releasing in October, and yeah, I'm having a good time.